Hi, I'm Dave Booth, Vice President of Sales with Caliber Equipment, and what I'd like to do today is just take a couple minutes and talk about one of the many cleaning equipment that we offer, and this is from Clarke called the TFC400 Multi-Purpose Hands-Free Cleaner. Now, if you're a facilities manager or contract cleaner, one of the tougher things to do is go into bathrooms, kitchens, and areas like that where you've got a lot of cleaning to do, which can all sometimes take a lot of different tools. What Clarke has done is put all the tools into a nice, neat, compact unit that gives you multiple tools to do a lot of jobs all together in one piece of equipment. Now, the TFC400 is a corded machine, and a couple things that it offers is it is a pressure washer, it is a vacuum cleaner, all this together into one system. Everything you see here is what comes standard on it. Again, first of all, it is a high pressure cleaner, so by attaching this, and I have different settings, I can go into restrooms and bathrooms, which in the past have been very difficult to keep clean. You've got the floors, urinals, sinks, walls, and to go in by hand to do that is very labor intensive, takes a lot of different supplies and tools. But again, with the TFC400, one operator can do all those jobs very quickly and efficiently on a very small compact unit. This is the pressure washer system that comes with the high pressure hose that hooks here into the front, and it comes with your power jet handle giving you low pressure or high pressure cleaning. It also is a wet vac, so when you're cleaning down the walls, cleaning the urinals, the toilets, countertops, down to the floor, if you don't have a floor drain, you now can hook up your tools and you're able to suck up the water. So as I said, it's a pressure washer cleaner. It is also a wet vac. When you've got tougher grout and tile, comes standard with a heavy-duty scrub brush. That way it helps you clean the tough areas and do a little bit more cleaning. Comes with a long safety yellow 25-foot cord with safety switches built in so that you know if there's any problems with the circuits. This holds 20 gallons, which you would fill up here at the rear, so it's got an easy cap to fill it. And another nice feature is it also has a built-in hose, so I can just pull this out, hook this up to any standard faucet or spigot, fill up the machine, and it stays right with it. And then that just seals over it. Comes with a caddy. Other tools for cleaning windows and mirrors are also included. Your dirty water is going to go into this compartment here, which I can now open up and simply flush it out. And in the back it has a simple drain hose. The controls for this unit, again, are very simple here in the front. You have your quick connect for your high pressure hose. You have your switch to turn on your vacuum. You have another switch here for the secondary switch. And this model you can run it with just water, or you can actually set it up in the rear with two different types of chemicals. You may have a cleaner degreaser and then maybe a sanitizer. So by simply moving the switch, it'll then automatically meter your chemical from the one container, mix it with the water, and now you're putting it onto the surface. Again, you can go back to just water for rinsing, or I can go over here if I'm using a sanitizer that I need to put on the walls and the floors and let it sit before I rinse it off. So again, only a few switches, making it very simple in order for us to do the cleaning. Here in the back is where you would put your chemicals. You have two large holders. This takes both the square, the round, and rectangular type jugs. Simply sit in there, and then by connecting these siphon tubes into your chemical, it is then going to meter it when I turn the switches on the front. So as you can see, in a very compact piece of equipment, gives you all the tools that you need to go into bathrooms, restrooms, locker rooms, all the areas that are a little tougher to do or take a lot of different tools or manpower. With the TFC400, one person can bring this into that room and in a short amount of time do all the cleaning you need. That's the most important part about keeping restrooms clean and fresh, is having the right tools to do the job. For more information, give us a call. Caliber Equipment, 888-550-0945. And thanks for watching.